The Cuisinart 14-inch portable charcoal grill is compact yet efficient, perfect for grilling on the go. Measuring 14 inches by 14 inches by 15 inches, this red grill is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for tailgating, camping, and small outdoor gatherings. Despite its size, the grill provides ample cooking space and even heat distribution, ensuring deliciously grilled meals every time. With its sturdy design and convenient portability, it's a practical choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The Ninja Woodfire Pro Outdoor Grill and Smoker, OG751BRN, is a versatile 7-in-1 electric grill that combines grilling, smoking, air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and broiling. Equipped with a built-in thermometer, this compact, portable grill uses woodfire pellets to infuse authentic barbecue flavors into your dishes. With its durable build and sleek gray design, it's ideal for both home grilling and outdoor adventures, making it a powerful, all-in-one cooking solution. The Cuisinart Panini Press and Griddler GR4 NP1 is a versatile 5-in-1 appliance designed for all your grilling needs. Its stainless steel finish offers durability and a sleek look. This multifunctional griddler serves as a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half grill/half griddle. It features adjustable temperature controls, removable non-stick plates, and a drip tray for easy cleaning, making it ideal for sandwiches, breakfast items, and more. The Ninja AG301 Foodi 5-in-1 indoor grill is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that lets you grill, air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate with ease. Featuring a sleek black and silver design, this compact grill includes a 4-quart crisper basket and a 6-quart cooking pot. Its high-density grill grate ensures a true grilling experience indoors, while the air fry function provides crispy textures with up to 75% less fat. Ideal for versatile cooking, it's perfect for creating meals with professional. The GRILLART Grill Brush and Scraper is a bristle-free, safe barbecue brush designed to effectively clean grill grates without leaving behind dangerous bristles. Made of durable stainless steel, this grill brush is compatible with various grill types, including porcelain, Weber, gas, and charcoal grills. Its sturdy scraper easily removes residue, making it an ideal gift for grill enthusiasts, dads, or anyone passionate about barbecue. Built to ensure safety and excellent cleaning results, it's a must-have.